Welcome to my YouTube channel Jamsag here info. In today's video, we're diving into the latest developments surrounding one of the most iconic aircraft families in aviation history, of the Boeing 737. Specifically, we're looking at the state of the Boeing 737 in 2025, what's new, what's changed, and what lies ahead for both Boeing and the airline industry. The Boeing 737 has been in service since the 1960s, making it one of the longest-serving and best-selling aircraft families in the world. Over the decades, it has evolved through multiple generations from the original to the classic, then the next generation, and most recently, the 737 MAX series. Despite facing some significant challenges in recent years, particularly related to the MAX grounding, Boeing has made a strong effort to restore confidence in its flagship narrow-body jet. As of 2025, the Boeing 737 MAX is once again a major player in the global aviation market. The MAX family includes the MAX 7, MAX 8, MAX 9, and the longest variant, the MAX 10. Each model is designed to suit different airline needs, with seating capacities ranging from around 138 to over 200 passengers, and flight ranges that can easily handle medium-haul routes across continents. One of the most noticeable improvements in the 2025 Boeing 737 MAX models is fuel efficiency. Thanks to the advanced CFM LEAP-1B engines and aerodynamic improvements like the split-tip winglets, the MAX offers up to 14% better fuel economy compared to previous 737 generations. In today's market, where fuel costs and environmental concerns are at the forefront, this has made the 737 MAX an attractive option for airlines trying to reduce their carbon footprint and operating costs. In terms of technology, the 2025 Boeing 737 MAX continues to benefit from upgraded avionics and flight systems. The cockpit is equipped with large LCD displays, enhanced navigation systems, and improved flight management capabilities. While the MAX retains some similarities to earlier models to ease pilot transition and training costs, Boeing has made sure the system upgrades meet modern safety and operational standards. Speaking of safety, let's address the elephant in the room of the MAX grounding. The 737 MAX was grounded globally in 2019 following two tragic crashes. Since then, Boeing and regulators like the FAA and EASA have conducted extensive investigations, software updates, and pilot training revisions. By late 2020, the aircraft was cleared to fly again, and by 2025, its track record has been greatly improved. Airlines, passengers, and regulators are showing renewed trust in the aircraft, thanks to rigorous oversight and transparency. Airlines across the globe have resumed and expanded their MAX orders. Major carriers in North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East are operating the aircraft extensively on both domestic and short international routes. Notably, in 2025, some new ultra-low-cost carriers have also started operating MAX jets to offer affordable long-range flights with narrow-body efficiency. Boeing has also improved the cabin experience in the 2025 models. The Sky Interior, first introduced in the 737 Next Generation series, is now standard. Passengers enjoy larger overhead bins, better lighting, and quieter engines, making the flying experience more comfortable than earlier 737s. Some airlines have added extra features like USB-C charging ports, Wi-Fi connectivity, and enhanced seat ergonomics, particularly in business and premium economy sections. Another big update in 2025 is the MAX 10, which finally began commercial service. The MAX 10 is the largest and most advanced variant in the 737 family, designed to compete directly with the Airbus A321neo. It offers higher seating capacity and better per-seat economics, making it ideal for high-demand routes. The rollout of the MAX 10 was delayed for several years due to certification hurdles, but its entry into service has been a major milestone for Boeing. Boeing's production rate has also seen a slow but steady increase. After facing disruptions from the COVID-19 pandemic and supply chain shortages, By 2025, the company is producing dozens of 737 MAX jets each month from its Renton, Washington facility. Boeing has also focused on maintaining quality control, especially after several incidents in the past drew criticism about manufacturing processes. The company has since implemented stricter internal audits and supplier oversight. The geopolitical landscape has also affected Boeing's business. For instance, U.S.-China trade tensions slowed some aircraft deliveries to Chinese carriers in the past. However, in 2025, we are seeing gradual normalization. More Chinese airlines are receiving their pending 737 orders, and new deals are being discussed. Meanwhile, in India, demand for air travel is booming, and Indian carriers are among the largest customers for the 737 MAX, including new startup airlines entering the market with fresh MAX fleets. Competition remains fierce, especially from Airbus and its A320neo family. Airbus has taken a significant share of the narrow-body market in recent years, but Boeing has managed to regain some ground with the improved performance and safety reputation of the MAX. Some analysts expect Boeing to introduce further variants or enhancements in the near future, possibly under a future 737 MAX Plus program or brand new narrow-body jet design, although nothing official has been announced yet. Another interesting trend in 2025 is the increasing use of sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. Boeing has committed to making its aircraft compatible with 100% SAF by 2030, and the 737 MAX is already certified to fly with a 50-50 SAF blend. Airlines operating the MAX are participating in SAF trials and using blended fuels on select routes to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This aligns with global aviation's goal to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Looking ahead, the Boeing 737 is likely to remain a major part of global aviation for many years. Despite its age, the constant upgrades and its proven versatility make it hard to replace. While Boeing faces pressure to design a next-generation single-aisle aircraft to compete with Airbus's future plans, the 737's solid performance in 2025 keeps it highly relevant. To sum it up, the Boeing 737 in 2025 is a story of resilience and recovery. From the darkest days of the MAX crisis to a cautious but strong comeback, Boeing has worked hard to win back the trust of airlines and passengers. The improvements in fuel efficiency, safety, comfort, and performance have made the MAX a competitive and reliable aircraft. Whether you're a traveler, an aviation enthusiast, or someone curious about the future of flight, the Boeing 737 remains a key player in shaping how the world connects. Thank you for watching this video on JamSag here info. If you enjoyed the content, please like the video, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more aviation insights, tech updates, and industry news. See you in the next.